This is the Bell Tower Rail Jam. It's put on by the Snowboard Club. We were out till 2:30 this morning shoveling all the snow. We take a big truck, probably a 30-foot truck, head over to Penn's Landing where they have the ice skating rink. They Zamboni everything, and they take all the ice shavings, dump them in a lot. We go take their ice shavings, throw them in a truck, bring them here, dump them, and then build this. We have 25 competitors, and then we've had a crew of about 20 helping us out with getting everything set up. This is our 10th year as a completely student-run club, and for the most part this was a completely student-run event, you know, from start to finish. And we just want to really project that this club can do amazing things and, you know, have a good time.